you have equal angles or equal sides, put in whatever you don't have. If you have angles like in number 1, put in some slash marks to show that if you got equal angles, you have equal sides. So x equals 6. Same thing here, equal angles, equal sides, x equals 8. If you see algebraic expressions or numbers showing up on the outside of the figure without any degree measures attached to them, those are probably distances. When we get to number 3, be careful of where your congruent sides are. The base is not always on the bottom. So when I see this and this, I know that this angle and this angle are the same. So let's put an X there. So I have 104 degrees left over. If I split those up evenly, then I've got 52 here and 52 over here. And I believe the problems are just looking for the value of x, so I don't need any units, I don't need any degree symbols. Just 52 is fine. If you're not sure about something, stop me. We have equal, equal. I look to the angles opposite. So I end up with 65 here. This is equal to this. That's 130. That leaves me 50 degrees. Is that right? So my value of x is 50. Check my arithmetic. Measure of angle 2 is x plus 54, but we also know that this equals this. Therefore, x plus 54 equals 48. X equals -6. So it's okay to get negative values for your variables, as long as your angles end up to be positive. What does this mean? What kind of triangle? Equilateral, which means that all of our angles are therefore equal. So angle 2 is 60 also, but it's represented by this. Get another negative variable value. Equal angles, equal sides. Equal angles, equilateral triangle, therefore the sides are equal. Now we've strung together a couple of triangles. Be careful of what your legs are. The legs are the equal sides, and what your base is. X, therefore that's x. Why is that x? What reason? Vertical angles. Don't forget everything you've learned up until this point. You still know vertical angles, you still know linear pairs. Because these two sides are equal, this angle is equal to this angle. So I can put another x here. Then I can put another x here because of vertical angles again. But now, that's not one of the base angles. What did we call the angle that wasn't a base angle? Chloe? Vertex angle. So we've got a vertex angle here, which means that these two are the base angles of that triangle. They're equal. That's 144, which leaves how much for x? 36. Same thing here. I've got 75 here. Those two are equal, therefore these two are the base angles. That leaves me 30 for my vertex angle, which is vertical with that angle. These two sides are equal, therefore these two are equal. What kind of angle pair do we have going on the end there? then what will 2 be? How many degrees? Okay. For just angle 2. 150. We've got a linear pair out here. So angle 2 is 150, but we already said angle 2 is equal to this expression. -9? Does that look correct? Any questions on those 10?